Exploring the top, understanding roofing materials. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to climb to the top of our homes and explore an essential aspect of our houses, the roof. Specifically, we'll dive into the various types of roofing materials, understanding their unique characteristics, and why they are pivotal in keeping our homes safe and sound. Stay tuned as we uncover the layers that protect us from the elements. Roofing materials are the outermost layer on the roof of a building, providing protection from the weather. They serve as the primary barrier against rain, snow, sun, and wind. The choice of roofing material can affect the appearance, durability, and longevity of your roof. Let's explore the different types of roofing materials and why they are so important. In this section, we'll walk through the most common types of roofing materials, highlighting the pros and cons of each. Asphalt shingles. Asphalt shingles are one of the most popular roofing materials due to their cost-effectiveness and ease of installation. They come in various colors and styles, fitting a wide range of architectural designs. Metal roofing. Metal roofing, known for its durability and longevity, can last up to 50 years or more. It's lightweight, fire-resistant, and reflects heat from the sun, making it energy efficient. Clay and concrete tiles. These materials add texture and elegance to a roof. Clay tiles are extremely durable, while concrete tiles are versatile and come in numerous styles and colors. Both are excellent for hot climates as they are heat-resistant. Slate. Slate roofing is known for its natural appearance and longevity, lasting over 100 years. It's fire-resistant and recyclable, making it an eco-friendly option. Choosing the right roofing material involves considering various factors such as climate, the architectural style of your home, budget, and personal preferences. For instance, metal roofing might be ideal for areas prone to wildfires, while asphalt shingles could be a cost-effective solution for a tight budget. Proper maintenance can significantly extend the life of your roof. Regular inspections, cleaning debris, and addressing small repairs promptly can prevent larger issues. Each material requires specific care, so it's important to understand the needs of the material you choose. Your roof is a fundamental part of your home, offering protection and contributing to the overall aesthetic. Understanding the different roofing materials helps you make informed decisions for your home. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of roofing materials and guides you in choosing the best option for your home. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to take care of your rooftop, as it takes care of you.